Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we're checking out a video that was recommended. I don't remember who recommended this video, but it's a video with a very insane title. It's a 2700 horsepower Holden Commodore. This is this is a legendary video, you know, because I think a lot of people have told me to check out these races in Australia, and I've never actually checked them out. So 2700 horsepower Holden Commodore, yeah, that's definitely gonna well, not kiss the ground, but like the booty's gonna kiss the ground, you know what I mean? It's gonna pop a wheelie, right? So that's what I'm assuming. But I'm really excited for this video because I've never actually paid attention to drag races like that outside of like exotic cars and sports cars. Like, you probably know what Car Wow is. I watch that a lot because I like to actually see these drag races with, you know, some of these cool cars, because I'm a huge car guy, you know, poor but huge car guy still. But yeah, without further ado, man, we're gonna check out this video. So thank you for watching. If you have any recommendations, leave those in the comment section down below, or probably click that link in the pinned comment section where you can recommend videos, and I'll check them out as soon as possible. Without further ado, let's check out this video. Oh. Okay, he got two. Nah, two in the back. It's crazy. Why is the door open, gang? Yeah, this is gonna be very terrifying. What is that? What are they doing with the doors? Oh! Oh my gosh, did he crash? What the hell is that? Dude, nothing happened to the car. My question is, like, what is the setup in this car? Like, what kind of engine are we talking about? Like, oh my gosh, it actually sounds pretty good and terrifying, actually. Oh, we racing now? Okay. Dude, dude, seeing flames in the daytime is crazy. It literally has flames coming out. Crazy. Oh! Dude, you gotta be quick as hell to drive these cars, bro. Dude, it's like, nah, he let off the gas so fast. Fix that thing up. Oh my gosh, look at this shit. Nah. Oh my goodness, that shit is twisted. Oh, that is crazy. Wow. 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 And yet our results have been bro. Put this car back in the daytime. It's so much. It's way scarier at night, dude. What the hell is that tape on the vehicle? Oh my goodness, nah, bro. Like it's way scarier at night, dude. USA, okay, I see you. Like it's on the wheel. Wow. I want to see it get launched, bro, because the fire's... Oh! Oh, my... Launch it! Oh, my gosh. No, that shit hit the straight line. Oh my gosh, it went in a straight line this time, which is very cool. But dang, the flames on this thing is insane. Wow. Well done, boys. That was beautiful. I gotta see one more time. That was beautiful. Yo, that's crazy, man. That was beautiful, dude. And everybody be happy too. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. Like, y'all gotta let me know what he actually achieved because, like I said, I'm not used to drag racing like this format. I never really paid a lot of attention to it, not because it's not fun, but simply because it's like beyond, you know, my grade of understanding, I guess. Because like when I first, you know, knew about drag racing, like I was way younger, and this was the drag racing that I knew, these type, right? However, these are just too terrifying. So I'm more on the lower side, you know, like normal street cars, drag race, if that makes any sense, and sports cars too, hypercars too, but you know, mostly sports cars. You know, like the Lamborghini and stuff like that, supercars, whatever, but not the hypercars, not like the Koenigsegg and you know all those fancy Bugattis, not those, because you know, no matter how hard you work, if you weren't already rich, like rich parents and like I mean like rich for real, it's almost impossible for you to have like a Bugatti or something like that, unless you're doing some crazy stuff, which obviously I'm not doing. So you know, maybe the normal cars are a little bit more obtainable when you're like 90 or some shit like that. I don't know if you get lucky one day. But yeah, that's really what I've been watching, but not these ones. So I don't really understand the quarter mile stuff and stuff like that, how it is numbered. I don't really understand. I don't really know what a good time is. Like for sports cars, I can tell you, you know, good time, a little 12 seconds and whatever. So I don't know if that 6 seconds was like, I don't, y'all gotta let me know if you get what I'm saying. But let me know in the comment section down below. But this was a freaking amazing video. It was coming from C West Garage, so shout out to them. Very beautiful video. Shout out to them. And insane Commodore, man. 2700 horsepower. That is something I've never heard of before. But shout out to them. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do like and subscribe. And I'm out of here. Peace.